Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about XAU USD pair, that is gold USD pair, and we'll do the forex analysis for 10th November to 14th November 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in XAU USD, that is gold USD, on Friday. So as we can see, 4001.02 was the closing, 0.61% positive move we saw on Friday. So now we'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen or what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, if I talk about this week's candle, then we can see a small bullish candle with a small body and a medium lower wick and a small upper wick. Currently, if I talk about the stochastic RSI is around 47 to 66 area, which is indicating as a slight negative move. But remember, as we always say, we should not depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support and resistance zone on our one-day chart. So let's open our one-day chart. This is our one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any such weekly analysis video. So currently the levels are already marked. We don't need to mark any such levels. We'll directly talk about the closing first. So here, if I talk about the closing, 4001.02 is the closing. Here the direct support is 3999.66. Here the direct resistance is 4023.81. After direct support, there is a support of 3980 and then 3960. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 4044 and then 4063. These are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. Also, if you don't know what is funded account, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I have already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I have also shared a 20% discount coupon code which will get you a 20% discount on any challenges that you buy from the funded account number one. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in gold USD for coming week or for this week. Currently, according to previous week momentum, I am expecting a positive move in this range, that is 4023 to 4045. I'm expecting a positive closing in this range. If you're going for any short trade, then you can go for a short trade once 39.99 gets breached and a one-day candle gets closed below this, then we can go for a short till 39.80. Currently, my expectation is a bit positive. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.